Welcome to another Brainy Buyer comparison. Every chart, test, and tip you're about to hear is funded by viewers like you. Subscribe and join the squad that keeps honest product intel free for everyone. Hey, I'm looking at these two renewed Super-Automatic Espresso Machines, the Philips 5400 LatteGo and the De'Longhi Dinamica with Latte Crema. What are your thoughts?
Okay, interesting choices. Both are renewed, so keep that in mind. The Philips is currently available for $799, while the De'Longhi, it's actually unavailable right now.
Good to know. Price and availability are definitely important. What about features?
Well, the Philips boasts 12 coffee varieties at the touch of a button, and the LatteGo system is known for easy cleaning. Only 2 parts, no tubes, and dishwasher safe. Plus, it has a 12-step grinder.
Nice! And the De'Longhi?
The De'Longhi Dinamica has a slight edge in terms of drink options. It offers 18 espresso and specialty coffee recipes. It also has a latte crema system, similar to Philips, but it does has a slight more adjustable grinder, with 13 settings.
So more drink variety with the De'Longhi, but the Philips is easier to clean. What about the grinder? Are they comparable?
Both have built-in conical burr grinders. The Philips uses ceramic grinders, which they say are good for 20,000 cups. The De'Longhi doesn't specify the grinder materials clearly, but reviewers seem happy with the grind quality.
20,000 cups is a good selling point. What about customization?
The Philips has a coffee customizer for aroma and volume, plus an extra shot function. The De'Longhi has My Menu personalization, where you can store your perfect recipe.
So both offer customization. What about size? My counter space is limited.
The De'Longhi is a bit smaller, at 13.7 DX 9.3 inches, WX 16.9 inches H, while the Philips is 15 DX 10, WX 17H. The De'Longhi is also heavier, at 23.2 pounds versus the Philips 18.58 pounds, so take that into consideration if you plan on moving it around.
Okay, the De'Longhi is a bit more compact. And what about reviews?
The Philips has 41 ratings and a 4.1 star average. The De'Longhi has fewer reviews, only 9, but a slightly higher rating of 4.3 stars.
Interesting. So the Philips is readily available, easier to clean, and lighter, while the De'Longhi offers more drink variety and a slightly smaller footprint, but is unavailable. Thanks for the breakdown. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.